In front of me is HONOR Magic8 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called Files that's already on your device. If you never used it before, select Agree at the bottom right corner, and then tap on Browse at the bottom right one. Following that, you need to scroll and click on Phone under Local Storage. Then find the Downloads folder. Mine is over here. Click on it and access all of your downloaded files in one place. If you want to open one, click on it, and to manage one, tap on those three dots at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!